In this video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to measure AM modulation percentage just using an oscilloscope. It could be an analog or digital scope, it doesn't matter. So first thing we need to do is feed in a signal, and then we're going to go and feed in some modulation. So okay, we'll turn it on, and then we'll go and turn on the modulation, turn the intensity up so the camera can see it better. And there you go, there's your signal. Now we're gonna have to slow down the scope, of course, because we cannot measure it like this. So we'll go and slow down, and we'll go ahead and trigger on it. And there you go. And then there's your signal. And I like to keep it full screen because it's easier to measure the gratitudes when you do that. And first thing we're gonna go ahead and do is go ahead and position, of course, the signal, and then drop it down to the edge. First thing we're gonna count is from here to the top of the peak. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can go and turn in this so you can see better. And then you go and count there. And I count it 7.4, give or take around. You never get it exact, you just want to get it close enough. And then for the B figure, we're going to look at the valley now. So we're going to put this over here. We'll get it right around, like I said, get it close enough, as close as you can, give or take. And then you count up to this valley right here, this dip or whatever you want to call it. So it's 1, 2, 3. So I got 3.65, give or take. Now how you actually do the math is going to be right here. This is the formula. It's going to be A minus B divided by A plus B times 100. That's going to give you your percentage. So here was what we went ahead and figured out looking at the scope. So I calculate around 7.4. It could have been 7.42, give or take. You just go ahead and round it around or whatever. You're never going to get it exact. And then the dip or the valley was 3.65. So I went ahead and did the math right here, and I subtracted 7.4 minus 3.65, which gave us 3.75. Then you go ahead and add 7.4 plus 3.65, and that gave us 11.05. Okay, once I divided that, I got 0.339, and times that 100, that gave us 33.9%. So it's telling us that the actual modulation is 33.9%, which is pretty close. Now we can go and look at the signal generator right over here, and you can see right here the depth. I got it at 33%, so it was pretty close. Sometimes you get it dead on, sometimes it can be very close, but this just gives you pretty much, if you don't have like a meter or anything like that, tells you how much modulation. You can just figure out just using the oscilloscope screen that way, and that's pretty much how you measure AM modulation with just using an oscilloscope.